Here's a quick little tip if you're suffering from weak spot welds. This is something I learned accidentally. You might not be able to see, but I've got my spot welder set to pretty much the max settings, and I was still suffering from weak welds. And what I realised is that pushing down too hard on the electrodes is actually the cause of the problem. And this is because if you push down hard on the electrodes, you create a path of low resistance as opposed to high resistance. And the high resistance is what causes it to heat up and weld. So you actually want a little bit of resistance so that it heats up more and gives you a stronger weld. So the tip is to not press so hard. So here's a weld where I'm pushing very hard, which is what I was doing when I first got the welder. And as you can see, it just pops right off. And then this weld, I'm just putting light pressure on, and you can see the nickel glows more. And you can see the weld is a lot stronger. That's it, thanks for watching, bye.